I've traveled in the rain, the snow, the good weather to do different jobs. And this one was very interesting. I was called to hang a ceiling fan, or to remove an old one and install a new one, which was something normal that I did. But in the text, the resident said that we have a very high ceiling. So I don't really do high ceilings, but I went over, because some people, they say they have a high ceiling, but they really don't. So I wanted to make sure this is what they meant. I have went to places where they will tell me that the ceiling is high. I get there and it's reachable. So in this case, the ceiling was high. But anyways, I brought my multi-purpose ladder and put it in the A shape and climbed up and extended my hand to see how far I needed to go to get to this ceiling fan to remove it. And it wasn't that much. But I was uncomfortable overstretching. So I got my multi-purpose ladder and I stood up, got on it and stopped where I was comfortable and standing, where it was safe. And I was able to remove the blades and the fan and the bracket. Got the old fan down. The next day, I told them I'm going to come back and I'm going to have to get an extension ladder and attach it to my ladder to actually install this and be safe. So I came back the next day and I brought my ladders in, had it all set up, had my multi-purpose ladder in the A shape, and I brought the extension ladder in and attached it to my ladder in 5 different places so it wouldn't move. My ladder legs at the bottom, they curve out, which gives it good balance. So I felt very safe in doing this. Not only that, I took 2 boards and attached them to each side of my ladder just in case it rocked. It wasn't going to, but for my safety. And I took another board, a long board, and attached it to the front of my ladder, keep it from rocking forward, which it wasn't going anywhere. But that was just extra safety for me. Now, the husband seen what I was doing, and he was very comfortable, and he told me to have a nice day and went off to work. I was up preparing to install the new fan. Diversity 2. I already had this down from the ceiling. All I had to do now was to install the new one when this happened. And I heard the wife on the phone talking to someone, sound like her dad. And before I know it, she's telling me, you need to come down right now. I thought, what? This ladder is safe. She said, no. You get down right now. You're going to hurt yourself. And I thought, oh, here we go again. This lady had went into hysterics. She was absolutely sure that I was going to fall, that I could not do this. So I've learned you just can't assume they're going to get what they're supposed to have. That's why I would rather go get it myself, knowing what I wanted to get. But since they wanted a certain length, I told them just go get the length you want and have it here. She comes back with 3 sections of poles. They did not connect. They were not designed to connect. That was problem number 2. It didn't work out anyway. What a big mess. The rest of the 2, this really happened.